Gokul. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir.
This is Yogesh here from Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. Please tell me, introduce yourself.
My name is Gokul sir. I completed graduation in Knowledge for Technology, Salem, basically from Salem, Tamil Nadu.
Fantastic. So tell me, Gokul, which course you have joined here?
I'm taken the course of advanced certificate course of construction management training, CACM plus BIM.
CACM. Which are the sessions you attended?
I attended both interior and construction, at least bar bending schedule, unit measurement, reading of drawings, interior design basics. We have to learn.
Tell me about the softwares. Which are the softwares you learned?
I learned the softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit plus BIM.
So what about the site visit? Which are the showrooms, factories, experience center you visited? Can you just tell me detail in that? And what are the things you learned?
I'm going to say IBO, sir. In IBO, I learned about what are the materials are using, what are the brands they're using, what is the price of the material, what is the size of the material. I have learned in IBO, sir. Next, IKEA. In IKEA, I learned what are the types of sofas, beds we are using, what is the sizes, we have to design in our home. They give some models.
So tell me about the support from the trainers.
I have got support from trainers, sir. Is very good. He will support me for friendly.
So tell me about the support from the staff coordinators.
The staffs and coordinators are support me from friendly and quite mannerly.
So now, as you got the placement, so first thing, congratulations.
Thank you.
As you got placed as an interior designer, right?
Interior designer.
So congratulations on your placement as an interior designer. So tell me about the support from the HR team. So how was the support and how they guided you?
The HR team HR team support is also very good. I have to send my resume to HR team. They have to send different companies. Then I have to shortlist some companies and attend the interview and crack the interviews.
So tell me about the preparation before attending the interview, like how you prepared yourself.
I studied what is the basic types of interiors we are using, what is the sizes, what are the material we are using, what is the color we are using. That and I learned, sir, prepared.
Okay, now you need to tell me, like after joining CMTI, what are the things you have learned here at CMTI which you are not aware at your college?
In my college, only we have to study, not practically we have to see anything. But in CMTI, we have to both study and practically we have to see more items, materials, what are they using, sizes, we have to observe. Sir.
So finally, what do you like to say to the students who would like to join CMTI?
In college, we have not studied a lot of things. In CMTI Institute, we study more material sizes we have to study. So we have to join the course in CMTI. It is very useful for your career.
As well as placement.
As a placement.
Correct. So congratulations again, actually, as you got the placement through CMTI. Wishing you good luck for your future.